Ooh, yeah. Somebody tell me, Davido. Somebody tell me, yeah. She's your bottom big, like trailer. My money big, like Welo. It's very long, like Fufuzela. It's very strong. Hello, my name is Davido. Where are you from? I want to know. Is it the east or west side? Anywhere you talk, I want to go. Anything you want, I'll give you all. Even if it's still around the globe. 'Cause I've been around the world and I've seen a lot of girls.
Yeah, but sometimes, I don't know how to do you.
If your wife, no, you know marry yourself.
Marry.
Oh, you know go feel married, ba?
Why you feel married? This know the work.
Eh?
You something know the work.
Right,
you hear now Showman they say your something know the work.
No be me.
Why una dey thank God say
you say in thing know the work, so you no go feel married.
DJ Tunde, I talk say he don't marry, they say no. I say no go feel marry.
Why you can't answer that no feel marry? That means you dey miss something know the work.
No, today they follow woman.
That for you.
Today no dey.
Yes, I beg my people.
Evil people.
Man, I don't know this men them. As when I know we don't come again. We don't come again. This one now bubbles.
Yeah.
We got it.
We talk the talk.
Yes. We don't come again to your screen today. On top the platform, we they give every to you. This one at the TV station, we go key goats, give you share free of charge. Yes, so yes, I see they hot. This one where we there so now Bubbles Ziana, you know, say I get Chakra.
Yes, Hafana. Yes, we have come again.
Shoma.
Yes, it's still the political week. Don't forget, and we are repping and telling you to vote. Chakra say no vote waiting. I think
the right person. There's no right person to vote. So just vote your choice.
Just vote your choice.
Because the people where they, all of them get bad record.
Yeah, so, how do you know that?
How do I know that? I know they drive for Nigeria. And they drive, but there's still bad roads. The people who don't rule before, they no do. I think, in fact, see one way, and they watch a political campaign, no call the political party name. They could say, we have stabilized lights. There is light, never take lights.
When they pay me now, when all of them they sing, they do jingle, carry their hand and money, pay for jingle 30 seconds, and they know they talk anything where they want to do. Everybody love Jimmy Abaje. Oh, I like that song. Ambo. I beg. When I don't talk to those where they give award, if the time where they won't give award and you people do not give or nominate these songs, that Ambo song and Jimmy song as one of the songs.
For which award, I beg?
This music, they be in the category of either for Headies.
When they do best jingle.
Best jingle, no. Best hip hop.
I beg, matter where we carry con song today before Showman go carry the thing to another place. Matter where we carry con giving out today, they very splo fake. The matter, they very splo fake. I beg. If your partner no like, what do you go do? More put on like this. More put on like this. What do you go do if your partner no like some sex style? You like? Some cranking style where you like.
What
you go do if your partner no like?
I think go pay for this topic.
Shut up, you like say the thing no sweet you there.
No sweet you.
You be saying that what you like. You want pretend.
No go, please. This is my point.
You don't be happy. You don't be happy.
I beg our social media portals. They run through your screen. You could not see. I'm saying our producer run through them already before. You go through them again because one I follow us talk. I beg. We need to hear on our own. For me, if my partner know they like him, I will teach him. You know, say there's one that was invented by me. And I call DJ Burglary name.
What did he say?
Burglary. The burglary for window.
Hey, this will go don't go far.
It is called Jide Burglary.
This topic is good for Valentine.
My brother.
Please. windy.
I'm telling you, for Valentine, just try it. Jide burglary. Yeah, the thing.
After the election. Wait. This your burglary thing, it be like prison move. It be like saying you say they go jail some people, also all these politicians. Now why you dey bring out this Shakara
No,
place?
but really.
Experienced man, what do you have to
This
say?
topic came in the week of my New Year resolution. And it's coming, the topic is hitting me at the wrong time. I wish it was like last December. I guess many
You are
things
not going to
about
have sex this year at all.
that. But now, like this now,
Yeah.
I'm a new person.
You won't have sex. All things are passed away.
So-
Behold, new sex styles have become new for you.
So no. I thank God for
what?
the already existing missionary.
Is that your best?
You know why I like missionary? You know missionary. When you are done, it's easy for you to just sleep off because
Please, I beg. How missionary? I don't know how they do missionary. Like how the position they be like.
I'm not surprised that you don't know because you so spoiled that you even forgotten
You're a liar.
how it started.
You're a liar
No,
because
but
I don't know.
But wait.
I beg,
but wait.
how missionary they be like? I
No,
beg.
missionary na normal one na. Puhuna la mpugode n'elu.
Eh?
Puhuna la mpugode n'elu.
Wait, I don't understand. When they go now,
Puhuna la mpugode n'elu.
educate people. How is missionary like?
Please.
Chaka, okay, tell us, please. How is missionary like?
Please.
Please?
It's a sleeping mood, so
Finish.
when everybody's sleeping,
Sleeping mode.
things can
That's
happen.
sleeping mode.
But
really, I might not lie you. You know, say sex styles they bring spice to the relationship, especially that period when I date, the intimate period when I date together, be it marriage or relationship. It dey good. You get because there's one thing. It just be like say that they give you a goosey chop every time. Only a goosey. My guy, you get tired of eating a goosey.
no, even the
You don't
missionary,
understand.
even the people where they do missionary, they know when they do style. You know why? Because you know say again how you go the shift. The shift before you know leg they go up. Before you know say you don't they.
But meanwhile, because you see, after the year this now, it can't they do me somehow because I know too sabi most of these styles when they talk about. So
If I say may thunder fire you now, they'll start do bad thing. May thunder have his way. May thunder have his
If
way.
you want to have his way, because you're saying.
No, may thunder just have his way.
But
Because I don't know better, I swear.
but last week, thanks to our lovely Livinus, we sent us one email. We discovered say it is not good for or health-wise, it dey kill the man when the woman dey on top of the man. So I
Kill
want
the
use
man?
yes.
Yeah,
so I
yeah,
want
yeah,
use
yeah.
I want use this medium
I
take.
don't see the mail.
Oh no, go and check, go and read, go and Google, go
read
and
down,
check
go
your
read
research.
down.
I beg, forward that.
Ma tell you now.
Small thing that they keep.
Because I know say most times most men they very lazy, and I know say say women you know say you see we dey tell una some things where men no they tell una. You know why most men they like they for ground make women dey on top. Now because when man dey down and woman dey on top, the man no go quick come.
Of course.
Yeah. So that's why most men they always like they on that. But from research where we don't get now,
Medically,
it reduce the lifespan. That's why if you notice most old men, if you are from 60 years and above, please always be on top, especially those old men. That's why
they refuse lifespan. I be
like
lifespan.
lifespan and they kill.
you no go live long.
Yes.
don't
It reduces
understand.
the lifespan of a man.
I know they don't reach that side.
What did you read?
But I just
No way they have
Wait till
to
you read
doctor,
that.
right?
when I see the email, I just read them half. You know as we they see.
So why you they argue with me when they tell you something they give you read them?
Nah, be about lifespan.
What did they
The
use
person
now
go
your
die, go reduce your
potency?
age. It go make you die quick. Now here person brain dey where did they hit? I don't understand.
And they tell you where you go check now. They
But
tell
really,
you.
for
you know
me,
good medically.
I see them as say it could make person the experiment. All this research, no research, but really, it could make the experiment.
No experiment on what I tell you.
Your crank life, your crank life is supposed to be very active. And waiting go make and they very active. Now when different things they happen.
No, but our topic now say, what of if your partner no like, for instance now, your partner no like 69.
But come, if your partner no like 69, but you like 69, how you go take bring your partner into that 69 at your hand?
That be the issue.
Some people there will be say
Please,
they will just
please, for the sake of us that are young and are watching like me, that's in the studio now. What is 16?
Oh, now you want to learn 69. But I asked you for missionary, you don't want to tell me.
No, missionary is everybody know missionary.
I don't know missionary. I don't know.
For the sake of my type of person, you know, I'm very naive. You know, I'm
Ogo,
very
tell him
naive.
69.
I bet me will do a Google for 69. Come back. We will tell you what TV is 69. I'll be at it. It's simple. What's that? No, what's on TV?
Don't touch it. Have good sex.
And she no gree learn.
My partner, there's nothing I can do.
If she go learn, fine, cool, and we teach each other. But if she no want learn,
I go vex because even me I like style well. So if she no give me the way I want, and I go vex.
I have no choice. I don't know.
If you say no, not to leave am now. Wetin I wan do?
The thing for marriage no be saying sex. Sex no be the reason why I marry him. It's companionship. So if that would cause a problem, anything she wants.
Whatever she wants, that is what I want.
If you like her and she no come like her, the two of you guys have to come together and when the two of them agree. I want to take down where you go favor the both party now.
Me, Gongo. I go change am now. I go change the style. I go change the style now. So I must suit my partner. So to avoid something else.
Always teach. Welcome back. Yes, Nasi Bobozi and on top of Wazobia TV. Before now come join us, so we get some things we will talk about for here.
Shakara,
yes, if you just
Shakara.
join us,
Talk about Shakara.
I'm a man at home.
Shakara, they feel like saying, "Now holy pass."
Not be saying that me hold
Please.
the pass, you know, but
If you
know,
just
when
join us.
when we are talking about things like this, you have to know that there are some people that are naive, like me. You understand? That we don't really know. That's why I was asking of 69. In fact, I don't even want to know what 69 is.
Matter what they talk about today, and I say, if your partner, what you go do? If your partner no like some sex styles, what you like, what you go do? That's the matter we talk about today. And our social media portals, you don't through your screen. I beg. You say follow us talk, make we hear your views or talk the matter.
So we don't know Shakara sex style. You say he likes missionary.
Missionary. Shakara is missionary.
Yeah,
He has
because
a
you know
mission.
why? You know why? Because me, I be person will be say, if
No, God, they always send you.
no.
Missionary, God
If
always-
woman dey by my side,
Yeah.
sleep, they had me sleep come. So, but if I come back from a message when they send me, say I don't come. I feel sleep. So, you understand? So missionary, it dey easy because my head go dey near pillow. You understand? So I just sleep.
Oh, wait. Missionary, the one way the woman go there
Go.
like this, the back, then you go there.
No.
Missionary tell me now. Oh, I don't know missionary tell you. Muna tell me now.
Now,
We don't tell you sleeping mode, papa,
Yeah.
mama mode.
Papa,
nah.
mama.
Meaning,
Papa,
No,
mama.
Papa, mama. You know I do the surprise say no. This boy too spoiled. I tell you. It just be like all these small boys, they already grow up with hip hop, waiting.
You know?
You come out and say, do you know Sadebe?
yeah.
You don't go blame. If the boy say no, you don't go tell and say they pretend.
Why?
You don't know they say no. I'm like, what
You know why? You know why I say Shakara? I believe more in this sex style of a thing because I don't date some relationships where I know say sometimes man not use myself. But I say sometimes maybe like now you go like to give girl head. Mutua de poju. And the girl go say she no like him. And I counseled somebody some weeks ago.
Cancel.
Yes, I do some counseling some weeks ago. And the girl tell me say most men. Oh my God.
No. You just hit point. Go right on. I'm not for you.
Thank you.
When I applaud you like.
Kind of say they always stupid. Don't go never talk to you. So during the counseling, why they counsel this girl? And the girl tell me he say you see now why most ladies they like lesbians. Say because lesbians they know how to use their finger and their lips very well in that, you understand, in the vajayjay. So say
Let me let you know at this point that lesbianism is evil.
yes.
Anything a girl can do to you, a man can do it 10 times.
No, but let me tell you why we're educating them. You know what this guy told me? The guy said because most times, men they always look for. Say men they always want rush. when they just maybe 5 minutes spend time to see whether the fit just penetrate the
Play
thing, make
around,
her
you
hair,
know, do
maybe
the
get
foreplay
there
around, that
before
kind of
play.
thing.
They'll come on, but
No, now some girls they cause them. Girl, you go down this toast girl. Give me this thing, no one give me.
So
Give me
when-
this thing, no one give me. The day when she comes safe,
Say
you won't touch, you dey block
yeah.
you. So you come see say, waiting cover Jerusalem, don't open. You can't still won't go to play.
Dive on.
Play with.
Meanwhile, you know the time when we're growing up, you see they work till now. You know what they call fencing method. We don't wait tell boys say, you know when boy they beg, girls say, I beg man just see the party.
Now that beg. Who go, wait, no verse. Now that beg, now one guy they beg, one guy say, I beg, only the head.
Just the cap.
Only the head. Now one old mama, when they the next room, come they hear the girl they beg. Now the old mama open a window, call the girl, my daughter, no gree, oh, that no get shoulder.
But you see, that is you have a very strong point there because most times these girls now they make men. No, they
But
really...
how? You need to bring your partner into it. Now.
Yes, you want to bring your partner into the sex style she likes. It is very hard, which I know. Because how you want to tell me, say, girl, we done for over 18 years of her life. She's on the crank,
You know what's
steady.
Make we just draw a small break for here. Make we run, do CC opinion. When we come back, we go still talk about the matter. Now still, what you go do if your partner no like some sex styles where you like? Now still bubbles and no go anywhere. CC opinion, we dey come back.
I will tell my partner I don't like the way you are doing, and I don't like it. If I stop him and I won't stop him, and he will not force me on it.
I go adjust now.
I go teach him.
Change is the only thing where they constant for life now, so he must adjust.
You improve on your sex style now. Maybe you look for ways to do those ones that he likes.
Then if you know they're satisfied, if not to get other films to watch, where you go help us out, I'll go with that one.
We're in this together, so today you enjoy, me I go enjoy tomorrow, now so now.
To make him happy. Because now he be the one where beside one day live with. So I go adjust.
I will teach him how to make the ones I like, not to lose the relationship.
I go tell him, say make he teach me the one he go like, so that he no go outside.
Yes, so now welcome back down. When I just seen on a CC opinion on top of us here for Wazobia TV. Matter what they talk about, man, tell you now again. Now say, waiting you go do if your partner no like some sex styles where you like. That one a CC opinion way we don't carry songs in our soul. And a lot of things where those women talk.
At least now, my
Plenty.
confidence don't.
You may not talk.
You know say, I be dey try shy away from the topic small, say the topic heavy for me. But when I see the women them, the way them express themselves, I can't believe say na reality.
Because Shakara, let me tell you, this thing they happen to go for for relationships. And you know why? Women, every woman gets that place where you must touch them.
You must.
Every woman gets something where they move am. Where if you carry am, that button.
You know, say basically we get some. You get this G here one particular time. We say you get some set of women. We say they know they reach their orgasm at all. They know they reach.
And if you marry that kind of person,
with you, yes.
No,
meaning that's and some women did.
That one has sickness.
But they tell you wait. And some women do will be say it be like say nah as they take grow up or waiting they you know I don't just know maybe like their experiences or something, but some of them do. I don't see with this particular baby with my brother I've been date. We be 3 boys for our house, so we tell ourselves things. My brother just they always tell us, man, this babe go no they always reach that place. And
maybe that girl fit don't be a shower before now, because you know sometimes you get how you go overdo this thing. Most of showers know they get emotions. They just they do and they do and they do.
But the thing basically now say
and anything when you do constantly for a long time, you don't get used to them.
If you know say you be this kind of crazy person when it comes to styles, and you know say your partner know they that crazy, see how you go balance them. You understand? But gradually, you go to teach them.
For Nigeria where we dey, man we know to get money, where they live for one small room. How you want to do some styles now?
My brother, make use of your space.
My brother, if your room as your legs stretch.
There's no style.
There's no style. There's not a that you cannot.
That is beyond 6 by 12.
What are you telling me? What are you telling me?
See, let me tell you. Any style that is beyond 6 by 12 bed, that style, let me say.
Okay.
No, what of some still there into, you know,
except that your Jirenu.
Have you heard of my Silifa style? So you see, what if your children are in the same room?
Just kill me. I don't try to adjust enter the topic. Don't take it too far again. I will not be
do you know? Let me tell you. Do you know the effect of Jide Bognar in them? Do you know the effect?
Oh, there is. See,
let us read what is on social media.
I don't feel ready today because internet.
They go talk rubbish past because this is where we start. I don't even talk them.
This thing get small, but they talk. Man, check whether it did.
But meanwhile, the truth of the whole truth, they say, if I really have to check myself inside without being naive fakely, it gets ties where we say they make your partner, your memory go there for a head. You understand?
Yes,
because through life experience now, something will happen to me and my ex, we just jump. You understand? Because I know the one line.
You are a shower.
Don't be saying a shower, na good girl, you understand?
No, every man gets one shower.
But the girl keep calling me every time to talk about that particular thing. Nobody. And say she not just want me tell the guy, make she tell the guy, say, see what you make you do. She won't make she see which guy go repeat that. He said it today.
That is to show you that Shakara is a book.
I bet Shabali. The testimony make you tell me say na Shakara. That is to say any style where you do with your babe, she dey value am. Not be the
no be every style where you do your babe that she dey value.
No, I mean the special one.
But see, no value with babe, no style with babe, no the
value. But you know say she tell you.
No.
You know,
don't start with wait. As far as the babe they interested.
But you know where they come see. Showman. You know, say if na get where the friend way, if you do something way extraordinary,
yes,
she comment.
Some girls know they comment in the.
Nobody
wait. We'll go. Some girls know they comment in the now. They feel comment where you don't feel. I'll look you. You were very naughty today.
We come back. One don't spoil, I beg. We maybe go sharply, we dey come back.
Showman don't spoil.
Now welcome back, Unam.
Now question, make I welcome them back. As you check, now welcome back to Bobos Yarn on top Wazobia TV, and this one Shakara, Ugo and Showman, 90 here. You don't see that word all spoil. It don't they confuse us. Some last week I think rain fall for January.
No, let's say they did draw rain. You know, say that rain way fall last week now.
Yeah.
The rain fall the day where we say APC they do their political rally, and that rain purposely fall. And no people will draw the rain. I know say APC don't use umbrella.
They want use broom. So the rain.
As the rain they fall, they call somebody can't go give Baba. You know the one will be the leader of APC. That Baba. We get one big hotel. They use broom. They flog break one for a head.
I beg. Make I read social media sharp. So that we go pick cover. This one are from Ochuko. Ochuko talk say, if na me, I go teach my partner every way I sabi for the styles them where I want. Thumbs up, Bobos Yarn. Una they do well. Thank you very much, guy. We believe you die. Yes, another one again. This one now from Nancy. Nancy Okoronkwo. Nancy Okoronkwo talk say, no be big deal. Anyhow, now my guy. I go for John. And if he knows to sabi am, I'll tell him, say as I want am, baby. Follow go. Down at the matter, where we say she talk. They might take this last one. This last one come from Patience. Patience Samuel talk, say, anyhow. we go do them together. Then no matter how patience and talk. Yes, Shakara, more your time will be our friend. You know how they do them for them.
One road no follow enter market.
Nah, so
if they do one particular thing every day, you can't be boring.
Yeah,
you understand?
Yeah,
so
I agree with you.
Variety in Oyibo talk and say na the spice of life. So man, they change them, push them, go that way.
Show one.
Well, when it comes to sex styles, I know to be the.
I go pour you drink. I swear to God, if you make me vex.
I don't even say be the guru because I'm political weak, but all I think tell when I be say.
Oh, you protest your political ambition. Isn't that one that knows many styles? How will you rule us? Okay. Oh, yeah, sorry.
So all I can tell you is that politically, you need to have many styles because if you don't have many styles in politics, you cannot win election. That is all I can say.
I beg, waiting, I will just tell you and I say, try spice up your relationship. Anything way they do. Also your marriage too. If your partner say that this one he wants, I beg, do one for him. Your partner say, now this one, try adjust. Even if you know like him, I beg, just adjust to make sure, say, you no lose that person and you stay stable. From Shakara, Showman, and myself.
Yo, I'm taking.
Hey!
Yo, I'm taking.
DJ!
Yo, I'm taking. I'm taking. What them talk about, she bother. Pon the beats, pon the street, and nurse says she murder. Lyrical assassin, she fit kill no bother. Man a dancer, godmother. Me say killing them again and again. Like a memory card, yeah, me if you step the game. Cardiac arrest, pon the sound of me name. Me all about the cheese, me not care about the fame. Him say, man, I want it all upon me. Girl, I want it all upon me. Him say, girl, I want it all upon me. Girl, I want it all upon me. Him calling my phone. Some more. Him calling my phone, so me say, man, I'm taking.